Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and I want to give everybody a warm welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 14th of February 2022, where I feature some of the best games, visual effects and everything created in Unity for this week. Be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations, and come and check out my Patreon to get access to over 120 different scripts, projects and stuff you can't find anywhere else. So throw a like on this video, subscribe and have the notifications on to be always involved in my content. Number 1 is Andre_MC with 3 years of development with a journey to create game mechanics for some of the most famous games, and look how incredible they are. The next one we have Raf_IUK, and here's a breakdown at some of his post-impact effects and global shaders. Root Pilot has been working on an environment plus an awesome looking parkour system. Ben_Throop has been working on a simulation for herding sheep. You never know you needed it until now. Donian Zuimama has got shotgun VR movement, and look how satisfying it is. Oscar Vez has made a tool which lets you design your own procedural dungeons with only 5 objects, and it's completely free. Spirit9541 has got Rift Worlds, which is released, and it could be something for you. Cake Legends has got when you need to add a little bit of power to your kicks. Oddrok has been showcasing the features of RALLYGATOR, which has launched its Steam page. Jim Coco Mo has got a wipe for a raindrop effect. Agent 64 Game has wanted to show you some direct action using the silence weapon. Rivk has been working on a weird game about opening an endless amount of doors. Nuke Fist has got about a gazillion combos. Run Stop Ready has got a remake of the Commodore 64 classic Max Blue with some cool looking gameplay. Brainwash Gang has got from work in progress to some footage that's looking real nice. Fenris the Lobo has implemented a pseudo aim system to make the range combat look really quite cool. Felix has got the official first trailer for Morbid Metal. ArigatoGyro has got his first enemy, with sprite switching to create a fully 3D effect. Dicesoft Games has got a polished death and wake up visual transition effect, and I think it looks superb. Grimtails LLC has got when you need to get down the hill really fast, you just need to cartwheel it. Make sure to check out all these amazing creations from the Unity community for the 14th of February 2022. Be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations and you have a chance to be featured in next week's episode. Come and support me on Patreon to get access to over 120 different scripts and assets you can't find anywhere else. Come and join me on Discord if you want to chat. Check out my great assets on the Unity Asset Store and bonus discounts to those on my website. So thank you to all my patrons, subscribers and everybody else. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.